Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This video is specifically recorded to show different visualization skills using Tableau for an academic submission. And this is a group activity conducted by 3 members, myself, Anuja, Siddesh, and Ashok. So, uh, to talk about this topic, like from the very beginning, we were interested in exploring data set associated with United States, and here we found one of the largest telephonic survey data on behavioral risk factor surveillance system of United States. So this BRFSS is a public health survey conducted annually by the CDC, Centers for Disease Control and Prevention in the United States. So the survey collects data on health-related behavior, chronic condition, and preventive health practices among adults. Uh, so before I begin, I'll give you a short background about how this data is constructed to get better idea behind graphs we created. So we can see 20 different classes considered while conducting the survey, and uh, every class has one or more topics. Similarly, every topic has one or more questions and then respective responses. There's also one more important column, which is sample size, uh, which indicates count for every response. So this is a survey date, and also this is a survey data conducted, recorded from 2011 to 2021. So, I mean, every year this is uh, this survey is conducted, and till now, whatever data we have, it contains almost 2.2 million records. You can also find a data link over here. So the plots on this page like are arranged in the hierarchical pattern. Initially, you will see the timeline graph, then state-wise distribution, followed by class and year as well. Also, category focusing on gender, age, and race. So as we filter the class, the graphs below you will see uh, get updated automatically. So initially you will see the filter is fixed with alcohol consumption under class, and topic is there are three actually. So from that I selected alcohol consumption, and the question is like adults who had at least one drink of alcohol within the past 30 days. And the response is like yes, who reported yes, like they had drinks. So we can see uh, uh, the trend over the period of year is like um, it was recorded highest in 11, and then it went down again, it fluctuated, and it drastically dropped in the year 2020, and it's still rising. Wherein we in the under the heat map we can see 20, yeah, so from the heat map we can predict like 2020, 2011 is the one recorded with highest consumption, alcohol consumption. And from the state we can uh, just narrow down the scale to check which are the states recorded highest alcohol consumption. So Minnesota, Nebraska, and New York are the ones which recorded highest alcohol consumption, as well as if we can see under the category age. So age group 65 plus is the one with highest alcohol consumption. So similarly, we can check this by changing the topic. So if I select binge drinking, like the the people who recorded drinking like had five or more drinks on a single occasion. We can see, okay, so under state, New York is the one which recorded highest binge drinkers. And in the age group, oh, so 25 to 34 age group is the one with the most uh, binge drinker category. So with this, I want you to uh, see like correlation uh, about like the one who are highest drinkers. So what are their health status? So like unlike alcohol consumption, we can also check for tobacco use or e-cigarette use, uh, trends for that, like which is the highest state recording tobacco use and all. So I was saying like we will check the health status. So under health status, I selected for class health status. Topic will check for poor health. Uh, question is what is the health status recorded? So one who responded like poor health status are the ones highest in the state of Florida. Okay, but we did not notice the alcohol consumption in the Florida state, but we did in the New York. So we can say like though there are highest drinkers in the New York, their health status is also bad, like poor. And under the age group, we can see 65 plus is mm, the one with uh, poor health. So that may be because of age as well and alcohol consumption. And one more thing, while looking at the data, I noticed like let us check like why there is highest alcohol consumption in this particular state. So is it because of some external factor as well? So I have this documentation, I have added this link, like let us check the taxes in that particular state. So this is one of the records found, like we will see minimum taxes states. Uh, so three, if we can find uh, less than New York. Let us check for New York. Yeah, so I can see it has the lowest taxes rate. Also, we saw Minnesota. So there also the tax is low, and Florida as well. So these are the maybe this could be an interpretation like state with lower taxes has high alcohol consumption. Hmm. And one more thing, like I notice in this data, uh, why not we check for the mm, income and employment? Suppose I check employment in that particular state. So yes, we can see Nebraska, Kansas. Maryland and Florida. So they are the ones, and New York. So there are highest employed peoples. That's why they must be uh, uh, having binge drinking or high alcohol consumption. And we can see for the category highest employed age group is like 45, 55, around 45 plus, 45, between 45 to 55, sorry, 64. So similarly, uh, we can check different factors in this class and find out different insights. So you will also find details in the documentation, YouTube video link if you visit this page. And you can also filter location specific to check the trend. And so this is it. So thank you for watching the video.